We are tracking a rise in the number of emergency room visits and trauma cases at hospitals across Atlanta. The number has soared, according to new updates this week from leaders of the hospitals now handling that load.
This comes more than 7 months after Wellstar closed its Atlanta Medical Center November 1st. 11 Alive's Doug Richards has more now on the change.
When Wellstar closed its Atlanta Medical Center in November, many predicted there would be a crush of emergency room patients at other hospitals. The data indicates that's exactly what happened. At Piedmont Hospital and other Piedmont facilities, emergency room volumes have doubled since Wellstar Healthcare closed down its Atlanta Medical Center. Piedmont CEO told a state Senate committee much of that traffic now goes to its hospital in Henry County.
To relieve the trauma coming north, and then we'll go from there.
At Emory facilities, ER volumes are up 30%, according to its CEO. At any given time, day or night, Emory has 25 to 30 patients in emergency rooms waiting for beds to open up. Emory operates Grady Hospital, the state's foremost trauma center. Senators asked, can Emory open another one?
We've talked about trauma centers. The reality is no provider can step into a trauma center without county or state associated support.
Atlanta Fire Chief Rod Smith says the reduction in emergency room beds is expected to affect 100,000 emergency patients over the one-year period following AMC's closure.
What we have here is a long wait time when we get to the call. And so our units are standing on the scene in the pre-hospital environment upwards of an hour. On a regular basis with no one or nowhere to take them.
As for new facilities, Piedmont says it expects to upgrade one of its current facilities to a level 1 trauma center, though it won't say where. Emory has opened a couple of mobile emergency rooms, but says a new full-service emergency room is not part of its plan. In Northeast Atlanta, Doug Richards, 11 Alive News.
Well, right now, there are 5 state-designated Level 1 trauma centers in Georgia. Outside of Atlanta, there are 4 other Level 1 trauma centers in Augusta, Macon, Savannah, and in Gainesville. Gainesville in Hall County is the latest location to offer trauma care treatment. Northeast Georgia Medical Center just gained Level 1 status in February of this year.